Hi guys, today I will explain how to use ElevenLabs Unlimited. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the browser in your computer, and once it will be opened in the search bar, you have to search for ElevenLabs. And on the top, you can see the main website. Click on it. And this one is the first interface of ElevenLabs. If you scroll down, here is a little dashboard where you can check the voices as well as the feature of ElevenLabs. In ElevenLabs, we can do text to speech, also speech to speech. The next one is dubbing, also text to SFX, and voice cloning. Before here, we can also generate the voiceover and can also download, but I think now that feature has been removed. So now I will show you how you can use it for free. For this, we will create an account with our fake email address. Take a look on the right top, you can see the option of Get Started Free. Just click on it. And here we can create our account. You don't have to write anything, just open a new tab. And on the top, search for temp mail. You will find a lot of websites where you will create your email address. But let's scroll up. I always use this website, so I'm clicking on it, and I also will prefer this one. Now you can see your temporary email address is generating. It will take a while, and once it will be generated, we will copy and will create our account. Remember, you can generate a fake email once in a day. If you want to create another, then wait for next, or try to use another website of temp mail. And now it's generated. So tap on the option copy. Now let's go back to ElevenLabs, and here, paste to your email, and the password will be same. Your email address will be your password. Click on the both, and click on the option sign up. Now you'll have a verification code on this email, so do not close it. As you can see, they have sent a verification. Scroll down and here, click on the option Verify your email. Scroll down again and tap on the option Verify email. For security purposes, I need to sign in my account, so that's why I'll close it. And click on the option Sign in, paste the same email address which you copy, and also paste the password, and the last thing is click on Sign in. Now, my account has been created. Enter your first name, select one of these, and click on the option Next. You can also skip it, but I will enter everything. I will not save my password. This one is the simple interface, but if you want to go to Advance, then here click on the option Advanced. Now we have created our 11th lab account, and by this way, you can generate account as much as you want. Select an accent which you like, paste your script, and generate that, and click on the option Download. Using this method, you can use ElevenLabs Unlimited. If you want to use ElevenLabs yourself, click down the link in the subscription to help support our channel.